top to bottom, a world-class concert grand, the Baldwin Model D. For most of the 20th century, it was Baldwin and Steinway, and the Model D Baldwin, the Model D Steinway fought it out for the concert market. Of course, Steinway won the marketing war, but in the day, the list of Baldwin artists was a who's who of the piano world. And this is a great example of why so many great artists chose Baldwin pianos. Now, those of you who follow livingpianos.com, you've seen this on our website, but it's taken this long to make the video because the meticulous work it takes to bring a piano on this level takes a very long time. Got new pinblock strings. It's like it was when it was built. And I've got two selections for you, starting with Beethoven, the exposition of his Pastoral Sonata, Opus 28 in D major. The action is velvety smooth. Everything responds right at your fingertips just the way you want it to, and rewards you with such a warm, clear sound, the trademark of the great Baldwins. I'm going to play the beginning of the Chopin Fourth Ballade, the Ballade in F minor, which I just started reworking. I've never performed this piece, and I plan on recording it later this year. So I'll give a little tryout, just the beginning section, a beautiful, haunting melody. Such a great piece. And I'm posting, by the way, my father's first recording he made when he was in his young 30s. And what a performance of, it's an inspiration to me, his performance of the F minor Ballade, which you can check out on YouTube. It should be posted soon if it's not there already. So what is so great about this piano? Well, what's not to love from the bottom to the top? Listen to this bass. I'm just going to play some bass octaves so you can hear this piano. What a sound. I'm going to enjoy this piano while I've got it here. Any questions? I'm Robert Estrin. This is livingpianos.com, your online piano store with free delivery anywhere in the continental US. We have a piano on the way to Singapore right now. We do global delivery. So check us out. I'm here for all your piano questions. Thanks again for joining me. We'll see you next time.